Python, pandas np.where versus df.loc with multiple conditions. np.where has been giving me a lot of errors, so I am looking for a solution with df.loc instead. This is the np.where error I have been getting. I am working with the following data frame df. I want to create an additional flag, if checked is 0 and duplicate is true. I tried this and it didn't work. I tried it with df.loc. And I get the same error.
I think your boolean are not strings, so need remove colon. Or if compare with boolean column, equals true can be omitted. Also if need check need because strings. Edit. Solution with loc.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.